Hey everyone, Lee Goldstein here for 10 Minute Trades, and this week's trade I should have taken was a trade I took, but I didn't. I'll show you what I mean. The 30-year bond auction had 6 months winners in a row, 6 in a row. How do we know that? Well, we have a trade report that tells us how to trade this event, and we have a journal. And in this journal are the last 6 months of trades. You could see they're all winners. So how can that be the trade I should have taken? Well, on the left side, I took the trade live and I made a few dollars trading the bonds on the bond auction. But on the right side, we had the YM futures, a special setup that we hadn't traded live. That's the trade I should have taken, because watch how it trades. It explodes for a profit in a second. And it explodes for a much better profit than the bonds that we were trading. Trading the YM, I had 2 targets, 20 ticks and 8 ticks, and it just bursts through all my targets. Easy, easy winner. Wow, look at that explosion. Absolutely the trade I should have taken. The bond portion I took, but the YM on the 30-year bond was a great setup, and we'll be adding that to our trade report for next month. Lee Goldstein here for the trade I should have taken.